What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add Roman numerals and page number in Word. So let's get into the video. Once you have opened your desired Word file, here head over to insert, and here in the header and footer section you can see an option page number. Go to, suppose you want to add your page number at the top of your page, so I'm selecting this one, and it is showing page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's normal, but we want Roman numerals. For that, in the design section of header and footer tools, here in the header and footer section you can see page number, and here select format page numbers. As you can see, it is starting at 1, 2, 3, and the number format is given 1, 2, and 3, and we want in Roman numerals. And you can see there is an option of Roman numerals in smaller or capital, whatever you want. I'm currently choosing the smaller one and clicking on OK. And you can see that our page number is changed into Roman numerals, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4 showing in numerals, Roman numerals. Let me just zoom it out for you. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.